Yeah, man. Richie.
Well, I got me hear the thing come up in me. I say, what that? We almost jump out and I'm close to that.
Good afternoon, good afternoon. But I'm going to tell you, every week is a different drama. Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to another episode of Sunday Scoops. And today we're featuring the great dance promoter and owner of Shanghai Sound at the Jazz Hut on Rose Lane, right? On Rose Lane?
Yes, I think on Rose Lane.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. At Charles Street.
Yeah, we have a treat lined up for you today.
The great Jimmy Solo. And of course, let me just make it clear. This is the old man of the erstwhile Dr. Dennis Howard, Jamaica's foremost ethnomusicologist. I mean, no, say have to come squeezing in a thing. Jimmy Solo, happy birthday! I know you.
Thank you.
I know you have a few days to go.
Yes.
How you know?
So far, so good.
Well, listen. Today is your day.
Okay.
And we are going to let you do most of the talking, right?
Okay.
All right. Well, you know, the good Lord has blessed you well. And, you know, if Dennis is any indication, may I tell you, you're bad good. Right? I mean, you need for a pure single, you need for take no, but I don't know, try the boundary and all them kind of thing, right?
I hear you. Good advice.
Being an octogenarian, it's a remarkable thing, remarkable achievement. But I've said only the good die young, you know. So.
Listen, I know. Jimmy.
Yes, sir.
Jimmy. Again, welcome to Sunday Scoops. We had tried doing this thing before, where we played a visit during the COVID time.
Yeah.
And we, you know, the circumstances just never allowed us to think. So we now have a full 2 hours where we're gonna think. Talk to us about who is Jimmy Solo.
Jimmy Solo is it might sound carving now when I say it, but I'm a youth where born and grew up, run west. From start off at Pink Lane, come to Spanish Town Road, go back to Pink Lane. And I was there until I started learning trade at Pink Lane at 9 years old. Because I never go further in school. So I decided, say, before I get into the problem, I start going to a workshop to do something, which was a metal workshop. But I was always there amongst metal, because there was, when I was at Spanish Town, there was a man inside that used to make, he was at we used to call him Tinsmith. He used to make things like where upon Christmas now, we used to go help him by the arm, them where they make like a fifi arm. When them paint them, I used to put like a dot them in it and all of that. So I always around the metal thing, and then we used to use Vidal can and make some like a whistle, and that was my hustling for the Christmas, right? But then I leave, and when we go Pink Lane now, this man Thompson have a metal shop. It was well equipped, one of the best equipped tinsmith shop around the place. So I fall in love with it. And I step in, and him allow me, because at that time, when we go in there, I show him, say, well, you can't stay in the same, because it's barefoot business and it's metal here work monks. So I did start judge some book. You remember Bata used to sell something named called Booger. Right?
Yes, man, Booger crepe.
If you wear them.
Yeah, them call it Converse now.
Yes. No, well, Converse had a pretty name.
Yeah,
no.
That was a brand.
It was a Booger.
But let me tell you something. Them days, you know, Jimmy, if water wet that, you know, and you and you know, make it dry, you know. Dog follow you go home in a party.
Yeah, man. So it's so happened that I always like the music thing, because I used to them on some man, a tailor named Jack, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, when you're there at Jack Taylor shop, it's pure music thing them deal with. So a man can just clap him finger when the mirror tune and say, who was sing that? And if you can't tell him, it's like, they're there. Well, I always, at most of the time, I write because I listen to music. So through that now, we always have a little music thing all the while. Anyway, I passing down one odds one day on Church Street, and they was playing a light price tune, Personality. Do have nothing to play it pan, my mother. Do have nothing to play music pan, but it was 2 and 6 to the record. And I had about 5 shillings in my pocket. So I stop in and buy the one record. So after I buy the record, now I'm go. Do have nothing to play it pan, but Thompson's a man did have a bar now beside the workshop. So I said to him, Sati, we not get a little thing and make a one box so while I make go and play some music to entertain the people. Because them time my jukebox not about and all of that. So
what year this was, Jimmy?
That time about 52,
Wow.
Yeah. When that started. And anyway, it set up and we start up on the road like about 50, probably about 50, 55, 56 so. Because what happens is that I start playing the bar and then them friend them will pass through. When them having a little house party, them always say, boy, I want this little youth to come play for me, So the sound start up on the road, so we call it Thompson's Hi-Fi.
Thompson's Hi-Fi.
Yeah, so it move on from there and I start to go up on the bigger scene now in the metal world because I left there and went to a place named, up to now them still exist, Geddes Refridge.
Yeah man, them no Geddes
Refridge. We deal with duct work, which is metal again, for accommodate air conditioning, right? So through a youth named, a brother named Spree, where I used to work out there, him come down and see me, I work at the shop all the while and say, boy, I get recommend the man and forget. So then I go, I never have no problem. I get the work and I was there and then I started to move up and down now because when I was at Thompson, I used to play a little game. Because 12th time I leave Thompson before I really go up on that side,
Mm-hmm.
What I used to do is that every now and again I will step out at Thompson shop and when him ready, call my mother and say, let the boy come back in the workshop. But when I see him now, I say to him, so, but the man him done this half of me more, And then him say, I don't business, come I will pay you more. So each time I leave and I go back, I get more. So I keep on, I leave all the while.
Oh, but so you Dennis get that from?
So when I leave, it's not like I just tell him so I leave. Him know side over so somewhere else I work. So I come in like I circle the whole of the workshop them both in the West End. So from Pink Lane, Orange Street, Cockin Brother them, a man named Lascelles, you have Timos, Judge, all of them man that we used to do the work them. Because them claim say me work neat, so them want me to come amongst them all the while. Anyway, after leaving Geddes, what's up back me one reach. Where we did reach first now? We go a place named Jack Peter. That is no, I go Alcan first. That is on Spanish Town Road. Start to make now some you call it now windows, sliding windows and shop front, showcase glass and all of that.
Yeah.
See? And I dip on the move again. So I went to CSC. When Gleaner Company was making up, I went to CSC. Before that, like when JBC was building, that time I working with some guys named Dalo and Salaman. Right? At that time JBC was making up and Sheraton, which is come to Wyndham and it was Hilton and all of that change. But I was early on the scene when it make up and things. So I depend on that. And we leave this now and I get a job at Alcan. That is down Kaiser backside now, that's in Nien, St. Elizabeth. Working with a company named Fishback and Moores. right?
Yeah, man. I hear them, man.
All right. Fish.
Something gone with your the song.
And
Yes.
it went on, and right away, you know, I left cleaner and I get a job down by Montego Bay, West Electrics. That is a branch of Home Electrics. It's some brethren by the name of Hall, Richard Hall and Johnny Hall. And I was kind of like the supervisor then. So I bring in some man from town and like I almost live down there. Because we make an agreement, say if I do have work for you, you're going to have to pay me because I don't live a man to go bed and I have to eat. So I work out a little thing where if me do it, because job work I was doing. So if I have no job for do, I stick around the shop, do other little things and then I still get my salary. You know, see? And then it's used to come spend like 1 and 2 days down there.
So you give a taste of Montego Bay.
Yeah, man.
Well, hold on. You see that tune you talk about, Light Price?
Yeah.
Let's give the listeners a little taste of what it was like in those days.
Okay.
Here we go.
All right,
Personality.
1950s, it's the Light Price.
Yeah, man.
Yes,
but
sir.
I don't understand you. Mark, I was guilty of that too. You buy a record and you don't have nothing to play.
Nothing to play.
Because the draw of a record in a bedroom, just like how as a little youth I used to go in the record shop and stand up and read the album cover them and look on them and hopefully one day.
You figure you'll be
Well, anyway, fast forward before that, you know, when I was a smaller youth, you know, when I was on Spanish Town Road there, I used to go around a sound man down by Conley named Count John. Right? You have a next sound on the other side of the lane named Count Boise, the man have. But Count John now introduced the little needle them used to use.
Mm-hmm.
The tin where it come in, I always get one of the tin. And every time that them change one, I always ask Bully to give me them. I don't remember what I used to do with them, but every needle him take out, I always make sure I sell him to give me them. So through them start to save them for me. So I used to have a whole heap of them thing there, right? Then now let's talk about Patrick used to have a little thing named, it's a really a Christmas treat him keep for the youth them in the area. But him have a talent show too. When I was about 6 I enter, and it so happened that I did do a tune named Because You're Mine. Yeah. It so happened that everybody used the mic. And when my time come to start sing, the mic trip out. So I used to tell him, say, no, the mic don't make no sense. I go and sing same way. So I win that contest. You know, see it at 6.
At 6-year-old. What the tune name?
Yeah.
What was the song?
Huh?
What was the name of the song?
Because You're Mine.
Who did that song?
I think it's Uno. I think it was Mario Lanzo. Yeah, Mario Lanzo.
That means so it sounds like you were a youth with good. You were blessed with good voice in that time. Eh?
That's true.
Talk about that for me.
And I used to look at dancing to them time then.
That's where I'm going because I know that in that 1950s period, it was a talent show era, right?
Yes.
Tell us, share with us the talent show. Who were who put on these talent shows?
Panabigas, you have a whole little man, but the place used to do a little thing because you have a little lady down Panam. Let's talk about Patrick was at Conley, where him do female thing. And you have a lady over by Conley, which is following the lane beside it, named Sister Punce. She used to put on something named the pole, right? Mm-hmm. And every year the kids them used to go around and them do them little thing. So who can dance, and who can sing. You know, see it. But even before I go win the contest, I used to the little people myself on the street we call themselves, we used to call them Arkham Peddler. Right? Mm-hmm. Them women they know used to say, why me and them little man because me used to go roll my belly for them. So that's how me used to get my little change for spend. But what me used to do now, when we get the money, when we get all of them money now, through the bakery them there near me, we used to go in the bakery and get some penny and 8 penny and them thing there. and carry it down the lane, go scramble it with the man them because through everybody I beg me every day. I say, you know, some girl, me not no favorite Rasta, so me go just scramble who get. You understand? So move on from this so now and we are going to do a little thing. But then when we get little bigger now and back on the road now, Thompson still have him sound. The first dance we keep at Thompson sound use. And we keep a dance. That time it was I think Byron Lee have a hit tune named Joyride. Right? So we just named the dance Joyride. Night, Joyride Night.
What year was that?
That was about 1960 that, you know. Yeah, about 60 that.
60 before independence, okay.
Yeah, before independence. That no record. We never have a record it. Yeah, the first dance that. And then we keep it at a place called Bumpy Land that is up by Oxford Street. Top of Oxford Street in Anatown.
Tell me something about this land thing. I mean, all the people out there, we hear people talk about the land them and this kind of land. What exactly was the land?
The land now is mostly is people's yard, you know, but them just asphalt apart, it treat big.
Yeah.
And rent it out to keep dance. So he used to have Bumpy Land. He used to have round behind the corner, round on the other side of the street in Anatown, Young Men's Progressive.
Yeah.
And off Blunt Street, he used to have Savoy Land. And on the other side, you have Trinity Land. And a lot of them, even at Jonestown and Trenchtown, you have Skipper Land. That's where Skipper Land is where when name I know from Barbados, when name again now?
Jackie Wopel.
No, Jackie Wopel make a return to Jamaica and taxi keep a dance up there. And the whole front fence tear down. Because people want to go in and can't go in and the place full. And the whole fence tear down so it becomes a open affair. See?
Jackie Wopel established himself with a Jamaican crowd, a big vocalist.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Give me a Jackie Wopel tune. That
you have Cried Me a River, which was a favorite.
Big tune that.
Yeah, man.
We're gonna get a listen to them a little taste. But from where you say
Push Wood in the Fire. Yeah, Push Wood in the Fire.
Push Wood.
Yeah.
Push Wood in the fire, Jackie. Yeah. Yeah, that was a little risky though, right?
Yeah.
That tune that wasn't playing on radio though.
No. 1965.
I'm not so sure. No, I don't think so.
Yeah, but that couldn't play. That tune was too rude.
The sound system used to push it, and the jukebox them.
Yeah. And that's one of the things I want us to talk about. Because a lot of people don't understand that how important the sound system was. Now, you, from just doing the maths, at the time you would keep your first dance, you'd have been about 16 or 17 years old.
Oh, right? 16, so yeah, about that.
And 70, so you charge for coming at the dance or you pay the people buy liquor?
Yeah, man, we charge to come in and sell liquor, man.
We're going to give the people a little taste of this tune here. Jackie Wopel.
No, we have to give them Because You're Mine first.
Oh, Because You're Mine.
Mario Lanza. And then...
This is a tune you take and mash up the contest.
Yeah.
Yes, it's the sound of Mr. Jackie Wopel, Cry Me a River, Push Wood, and before that you heard Mario Lanza with Because You're Mine.
I want to ask you, that Mario Lanza tune, you actually sing that tune? Just like that?
Right, true.
At 6 years old?
At 6.
Yeah, you didn't make for this thing. You were born for this kind of business. Seriously. Because that tune
a big people
is a big people song that. Eh?
Yeah, man.
Absolute big people song. So you said at 17 thereabouts now, you have your own sound. Are you you start to promote dance?
Dance the sound same way. Or you're still doing promotion. You keep that dance and what happens that the person who had to get the consignment liquor from, a brother named Stanley Maloney, him come at the dance and him said to me, say, boy, Big Jimmy, you have to go full time, you know, because look which part you there and Duke Reed and Cox now, North Street. And your dance look so man.
Big crowd.
About 4 wash pan of liquor, I sell off.
What you say?
I said to him, say, boy, I don't have money for finance to dance, you know, and thing. He said, don't worry yourself, man. Just put your name on the dance, I will give you the liquor. So I go up caterers from on Manchester Square there.
That caterers land.
Yeah, rent the dance hall, go across the road to V-Rocket, get the sound, and start the promotion.
Close that skirt.
And we had a name it I named that one crowning of Miss V-Rocket.
Crowning of Miss V-Rocket.
Yeah, we did give her like Turleen skirt that don't be. Like Turleen skirt and some little things we give it.
Yeah.
Differently. And from there now, I start to do regular promotion. Because it was encouraging, you know.
So you basically stopped the 9 to 5 thing by then?
No, I keep working same way, man.
So you're a big house for a long time in a big entrepreneur, man. Yeah?
Yeah, all right. So when I was even in Montego Bay, when I used to go down every Monday. When I come town and go down back, I go down on a Monday. But inside one of my bag is a whole heap of pants length and sometimes some t-shirt and Gansy and all that. Because them like the cloth, them will make my pants them. So I say, all right, you can get them, but you have to pay the price. So I used to go down and handle down to Luke Lane and buy the lens them on a Saturday. Carry down on a Monday, and when I go down, I go straight down on my workbench and said, who take on Friday when you come talk to me? And by the time I look, it's only the bag I see. You know, see.
So the more
I never have fear because I mean, I have to sign them pay things. So.
Oh, so them can't scam you.
Them can't go around me. So I never have no fear for it.
Lock it up on 12. So when you was going down to Montego Bay, did you take the bus or you take the train?
No, when I go in down, I take the train. When I come in home, like a Friday evening, I take a bus. You see this guy when your mom, the one Meridian Hall, Broomfield.
Mm-hmm.
He used to run a bus, you know, a VW bus. I used to call him Milo. He used to run the road. So if we don't catch Milo, you have about two other guys where you catch out right arm. What you call it now? Right on not Barnett Street, St. James Street. That same gas station where them would say the Rasta.
Oh yes, the Rasta thing, yeah. The Coral Gardens thing.
Used to catch that, but I don't go home on the train. I just come to work on the train because why do you just go like 7:30 in the morning, catch a train down by railway, and by 12:30 I don't be because normally I don't work on Mondays. No way at all I work. Monday is my free day, so I just go down 12 o'clock, hit the bar. B2 liquor and then choose a man and I go to work, you know. So that's how it's there.
A train ride from railway there downtown to Montego Bay. How many hours is that? 4.5.
It might be about 12:30.
Yeah.
5 hours.
5 hours.
Yeah, about 5 hours. Right?
Stop all about.
Stop at every station.
Yeah, man. Spanish Town, Old Harbour.
Spanish Town,
Maypen, Williamsfield, Kendall, Mile Gully, Montpellier.
So you that means a Kendall crash. Kendall crash was when? 57. 57.
Kendall crash yeah. Well, that you know why? Cause that I did rate because St. Anne's is my school, you know. But you know why that missed me? I went down to Issa and bought a brown pair of shoes. And I did make a brand new make a pinstripe pants. You remember pinstripe? Pinstripe brown. And there was some shirt used to come in now with button down collar. And them trim round the sleeve and the collar. In whatever color you like. Like so my color was a pink, yellow and black. So I decided this is that I want to go through my school and I want to make it sure so I look a little way, you know. But my mother decided, I tell my mother, for wash out the shirt for me, that I can get it for match up everything for the thing. When I come in, she didn't do it yet. And me and I getting some argument. And me just walk out of the yard and say, sure, you know what, it don't look like me for go, you know. But then True Light Press was here at the same time. Him and Clarence Henry was at Ambassador Theatre. I opted to go there. So I just go up there and go take in the show. And the morning man, when I wake up, I see one whole heap at the time I used to live up Oxford Street. And I see one whole heap of crowd right in front of Madden funeral parlor. So I say, what go on? Them say, boy, the train crash and kill off a whole heap of people. None of my friends them dead on it, man. But it's just true, my mode address, why I couldn't get through here, why I never reach.
Why your mother save your life?
Yeah.
Possibly.
Wow. At them time when I used to fuss about clothes, you know, so.
And I full of trash already.
Third race.
On a break.
We're up on a break, Jimmy. We'll take a little minute or two, get, you know,
okay,
and we're going to come right back, right?
For that, you heard Grazing in the Grass, Hugh Masekela, and Who's Afraid of Virginia Woolf, Part 1, by Jimmy Smith.
Jimmy, it sounds like, from what I see here, you, because them two tunes are too
eclectic.
Are two senior tune, you know. Your music taste is very, as God use a $45 word. Eclectic. Eh? But seriously, jazz, blues, R&B, that was the strong music in the 1950s, 60s. Tell us about that. And how you came into that love for that kind of music.
Well, generally, I call it, I wouldn't say, I would say no. But I just love music, you know. And during the time, jazz was a common thing at the time, and rhythm and blues and all of that. And so I used to go so much blues dance and thing. I used to just, but what happened that I don't normally follow the people where I play the regular music. So I always look for music outside of them. So when I play, I can attract somebody where can say, boy, what them tune I play, man? I used to work with a little portable changer, right? And when I pull on that changer there, sometimes I just put on hot buttered soul with Isaac Hayes and play Phoenix. And by the time I get to Phoenix for the whole time, because every time it go on, the man them say, play back that. Them time they, them time that we used to pass the coach up on the left hand side, you know.
So hold on, you say you used to walk around with a little. This was a battery changer.
Philips portable changer.
Wow.
Yeah, man. The box, the speaker is the cover for the turntable.
Yes, I think I remember that.
So you just pull it off and you separate them and start to play music.
So any little spot where you go and the music not there,
you
literally carry your music.
Yeah, man.
Wow. So tell me something. But clearly, this kind of prepared you then, because you do the promotion, you start to see, build a little record collection. When did you decide to put together your own set?
All right. After Thompson time there was a sound on Rose Lane by the name of Tokyo. But Tokyo sell out the sound to a brother named Beanie. Now Beanie is a man with him gamble out Atlantic, Coney Island.
Uh-huh.
So them always carry the sound out there to play.
Resource and Coronanka.
Yeah, Coronanka and Ring Game and them thing there. So me and a youth named Lloyd Dixon, we call him Balu, and Hugh George. The three of we used to play the sound. So sometime when they were play, I went in the game, I help them, the ring man take up the ring them when the people them show and miss. I have them even collect money, we just take up the ring and pay them.
Oh, so
I used to jump around the whole place, but away from playing the record.
So this was when they had the bottles line up and then you throw the ring to go over the bottle?
Yeah, you throw the ring over it.
This was your Coney Island, you say?
Coney Island, yeah, man.
Yeah.
There was 2 Coney Island out there, right beside each other, right beside at that Ioban Street corner and East Queen Street.
Hi there. If you enjoyed that clip, go on over to our website at yardmedia.com where you can watch the entire broadcast at your leisure. And while you're there, why don't you check out our other reggae music features? And before you leave, pick up some of our Jamaican reggae merchandise, and hey, don't forget to tell your friends.